I'm just a traveler on this road of life, through valleys low and mountains high. The winds may rage, the storms may roar, but my heart is set on heaven's shore. Through trials deep and burdens wide, His mercy walks right by my side. Though weary feet may start to sway, His grace will guide me all the way. I'm just a traveler passing through. This world's not home, my heart is new. Though tears may fall, my soul still sings, for I will stand before my King. The path is narrow, the way is steep, yet in His hands my soul He keeps. I press ahead, no turning back, for in His love there is no lack. Someday I'll see that more golden shore, where pain and sorrow are no more. With saints and angels I will rise, to see my Savior with my eyes. I'm just a